Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. So guys, we're gonna do another quick and easy video. Alright, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, we're just gonna take this easy and slow. So here we're gonna make a high protein green superfood smoothie. Alright. So here I got this on Amazon. I will leave a link. This is pure organic protein powder. This one is the Pea Protein Powder. All right. So, and you can use peanut butter. It's up to you. You can use a lot. I have more and I'm going to come with more recipe for you. All right. So here I have about 1/4 cup of oats and I'm going to put some hot water over it. All right. And then I'm going to put that on the side. So just let this sit for about a minute. And we're gonna grab the blender here. We're gonna put this one side. So I put everything in one bowl, guys. All right. So here I have pineapple. I'm using 1/2 finger of banana for sweetness. About 1/2 of apple and some spinach. All right. We're gonna just put everything in it. And about 1 cup of spinach. All right, you can use more or less, it's up to you. You can get about two servings out of this or more. And I wash my spinach leaf. Okay guys, yep, I wash it. All right, we're gonna also add some sea moss. I will leave a link. This one is my turmeric sea moss gel. All right, I'm gonna put like tablespoon and a half or 2. Make it 2 tablespoons, a little bit more. All right, you can put some fresh cut ginger. I'm going to go in a little bit of this ginger, about 1 teaspoon, and that's it. We're going to go in with about 1 tablespoon of my pea protein. Just like that. Guys, if you have oats milk, you can do it like that. Now I'm gonna put this, gonna be like 1/3 cup of oats. When I soak it, guys, it helped me to digest it more, and I'm gonna use some unsweetened almond milk. I'm gonna put about 1 cup. All right guys, I'm gonna add like 2 cubes of ice, and that's it. We're gonna blend away. All right guys, look at the goodness. Let's see it. Woo! Let's serve up some. Look at the goodness. Let's pour out some. And we still have more. All right guys, and this is it. This is super good, guys, super healthy. Number one, it has sea moss and turmeric that help with lots of antioxidants in the first place. Gonna help with inflammation, infection, mucus, phlegm, cold, and flu. That's from the anti-inflammatory, from the turmeric, and from the sea moss gel. You know, help to lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol level, fight cancer, diabetes, and all of that. Good gut health, good for your nail, your skin, your hair, and all of that. All right. And if you want energy, stamina, you have your protein here, your protein powder, gonna build muscle, give you energy, and all of that. So this one is a super green, healthy protein smoothie. Have your vitamins and your fiber, yeah, potassium from your banana as well, your greens, you know, lots of vitamin A and all of that. Good for your blood. All right, good for people who are anemic like myself as well. Yeah. And if you have cholesterol, the oats also help to lower cholesterol level. Gonna clean and purge your blood. All right, guys, this is a super green healthy smoothie for you. All right. And if you want it really sweet, maybe you can add like a little bit more honey or put more banana. All right, but I don't want it sweet. I'm gonna drink it as is. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. All right, bye guys. Look at the goodness. It's so thick, super thick as well. All right, let me taste it. I have to taste it, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my, it's so good. Try it, guys, and tell me how you like it. It's good. Yeah, I'll come up with more recipe for you. All right, guys. Good, clean, healthy recipe. All right, it's good for blood flow, and when you know it's good for blood flow, good for your back, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, for the man and woman. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys. And if you know a recipe and you want me to do it, leave it in the comment section. All right, help me to build and grow my channel, you know, one day at a time. Bye, guys.